Today I'm going to show you how to make sourdough pancakes. This is one of the best things you can make with discard sourdough. Hi, I'm Sune and I'm a food geek. Up today, a new episode in the Discard series. Today I'm going to show you how to make American fluffy pancakes with sourdough starter. While the discard part might be cheating a little bit since we're using discard to build a pre-ferment, these pancakes are probably the best pancakes that I've ever had. These pancakes are fluffy and have an amazing, well-developed flavor brought on by the sourdough starter. That doesn't mean that they're sour at all. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider becoming a member at Patreon. You can also buy some merch or use the links in the description for tools and ingredients. Thank you. Those were the words. This is the recipe.
If you'd like a written recipe, I've posted a link for it in the description. The night before you want to make the pancakes, you should mix the pre-ferment. To a small bowl, add 250 grams or 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 250 grams or 1 1/4 cup of sourdough discard, 500 grams or 2 cups of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can take 500 grams of regular or plant-based milk and add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Mix and leave it for 5 minutes. Mix everything together. Cover it and leave it at room temperature for about 12 hours. The next morning, mix 50 grams or 3½ tablespoons of melted butter into the pre-ferment. Then add 2 whole eggs. If for whatever reason you don't want to use eggs, you can just omit them. The result will be a little less rich, but still delicious. Then add 3/4 teaspoons of fine salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it through and your batter is ready. Heat a pan up to medium-high heat. I have this lovely cast-iron crepe pan that works great for fluffy pancakes too. Melt 2 teaspoons of butter and let it brown a bit. Add 1 deciliter, about ½ a cup of batter to the middle of the pan. If you want smaller pancakes, you can use a ½ deciliter 1/4 cup measuring cup. Keep cooking until the top has lots of holes and the top of the pancake starts to set. Then loosen the pancake from the pan and flip it and let it cook for about 30 seconds on the other side. Keep cooking until you have no more batter left. adding butter to the pan when it's needed. This recipe should make about 12 small pancakes or 6 large pancakes. Now all there's left is to enjoy a stack of these fluffy pancakes with a slab of wonderful butter and some high-grade maple syrup. Yummy. I'll eat the rest of my pancakes while you watch this B-roll.
Wow, don't they just look scrumptious? These pancakes are pretty simple to make. Just mix the pre-ferment in the evening and make the batter in the morning. Enjoy! I hope you learned something today. See you next time.